add a new rhythm to your never give up days. For those suffering from upper limb paralysis after a stroke or persistent hand stiffness, the HJA100 hand jigging device was created to address the heartfelt desire for smoother movement. Now let's look at the basic usage. First, extend your arm and place your hand on the hand arm. The speed of the hand arm's shaking motion can be changed between 2 and 4 Hz. If you have difficulty holding your arm, place your hand on the side of the arm like this. The arm can then support your arm at 2 points. How about it? Please use hand jigging to increase the amount of training you do at home and help improve paralysis and stiffness.